Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to use Claude AI for data analysis in 2026. While many people just use it for writing, its built-in analysis tool and massive context window make it a powerhouse for processing complex datasets without you needing to be a data scientist. Let's get right into the workflow. First, you need to prepare and upload your data correctly. In 2026, Claude handles structured text files better than ever, including .csv, .xlsx, JSON, and even raw.txt files. To get started, click the paperclip icon in the chat bar at Claude AI or just drag and drop your file directly into the conversation. A pro tip for the best results is to always describe your headers. If your spreadsheet has cryptic column names like var_01, tell Claude that var_01 represents customer acquisition cost so it has the right context for its math. Next, you should take advantage of the analysis tool for 100% accuracy. When you ask a mathematical or statistical question, Claude no longer just guesses the numbers. Instead, it uses a built-in JavaScript/Python environment to run actual code in the background. You can ask it to calculate the month-over-month growth rate or find the median value of column C, and you will see a things or code block where Claude executes the calculation. This ensures that the final numbers it gives you are mathematically precise. Then, you can move into data visualization using the artifacts feature. In 2026, Claude doesn't just give you text, it can build visual representations of your data in a dedicated side window. You can simply ask, create a bar chart showing the top 5 sales regions, or even build an interactive React dashboard based on this data. Because of artifacts, you can interact with these charts, hover over data points, and see your insights come to life without ever leaving the chat interface. Finally, you can use Claude for advanced analysis and cleaning of your messy data. You can ask T.